Giant butt cheek. Screw you. We accidentally busted the Alto. It blew up. Now it didn't blow up. Some guy just fell on it. One of the butt cheeks fell on it and smashed it. That happens. Giant butt cheek smash stuff. They look okay.
Okay, check out those connections. Is this one back on?
No. But yeah, this is.
Oh shit, is that broken down here or just snapped?
Oh.
Shit.
Yeah.
Can somebody help me hold the bear scratches?
It's time to make bear scratches. What the heck was that?
Don't pick up on it. Yeah, just like that, real loose.
Right now, we're training to speed pick. Well, wax on, wax off. Remember that stuff. What Sensei told us. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Slower! Sensei's gonna be pissed.
Turn.
Slower, Falcon.
Slower, Falcon. After this, we get orange chicken.
I'm fixing the speaker, and there's only 2 more screws that I'm going to take out, so, yeah, okay, what happens?
We're almost done staining the bear scratches.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have to paint the tops?
Yeah.
Ah! We need more stain.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we have that much left.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Hey guys, we're putting on clear coat. It's like epoxy, except it is epoxy. But I think I'm done with this one.